Before the signing of the peace accord, the Edo State chapter of the All Progressive Congress (APC) announced say dem no go participate for the signing of the peace accord wey dey organised by the National Peace Committee wey dey chaired by the former Naija head of state General Abdulsalam Abubakar. For one talk session with Tori pipo wey dem hold for the party secretariat for Benin City, State Chairman Emperor Jared Tenebe come explain why the party decide say dem no go sign the peace accord. E come chook mouth on the reasons for their withdrawal, wey include recent attacks on APC members and supporters for different places during their word-to-word campaigns, among others. Tenebe come also read that list of people wey dem suspect say na dem dey behind the attacks. Im come talk say,
"It has become imperative for our party, the All Progressive Congress, to tell Nigerians why we are not predisposed to be signatory to the peace accord. Our reasons are as follows. 1. 2 months ago, the then Edo State Commissioner of Police, CP Funsho Adegboye, told Nigerians that the command had the names of those who murdered Inspector Ano Ako at the Benin airport. Inspector Ako was shot by members of the Edo State Security Network when they unleashed mayhem on APC supporters who were at the airport to receive the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, who was in company of distinguished Senator Monday Okpewolo, the APC governorship candidate, while returning from Abuja. 2 months that this ugly incident took place, the police is still unable to arrest and prosecute those that have been identified to be involved in the callous and unprovoked attack, as Governor Obaseki, who professed and proclaimed that he is the Chief Security Officer of Edo State, as we house these callous and notable hoodlums in government house. This failure of the police has emboldened the state governor, Governor Obaseki, and his People Democratic Party to attack members of our political party at rally grounds, in their private businesses premises, ceaselessly. The governor has made inflammatory statement that has undermined his position as the Chief Security Officer of the state. Of particular concern was when he said that Nigeria will burn if police attempt to arrest those who were involved in the killing of Inspector Onu Ako. In Ososo and Igara, both in Akoko Edo local government area, talk sponsored by local government chairman Tajuddin Alade Suleiman attacked our candidate Senator Monday Okpewolo along with other leaders while campaigning in the locality. Same were replicated in Ubekwe Ekperi, Esako Central local government area, led by the chairman of the council, Solomon Obomege. Just last Sunday, the Esa West local government council chairman, Collins Aigbogu, led a gang of PDP thugs to attack APC supporters who were preparing for campaign in Ekpoma. They also destroyed businesses that belonged to the APC supporters. In the wake of this very worrisome and dangerous trend, Governor Obaseki kept mute and refused to condemn the attack as the Chief Security Officer of the state. Instead, one Odeolaye, the chairman of Nigeria Labour Congress in Edo State, while in company of Obaseki, openly threatened the country that Nigeria will burn if INEC failed to declare the PDP candidate, Asue Godalo, as winner of September 21st, 2024 gubernatorial election in Edo State. We believe the likes of Chief Odeolaye decided to take a cue from Obaseki that had earlier warned the federal government that Nigeria will burn if his agents that murdered Inspector Ako are arrested. Perhaps a more worrisome trend was exhibited by Francis Inegbeneki during the PDP rally in Obiaja, where he was shown during live telecast boasting that Nigeria should dismiss the police story that he was wanted by them for the role he played in the murder of Inspector Ako. From this incident in Onwan West local government area, where the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebako, and his cohort were seen shooting sporadically at the APC rally, and many persons were injured, the petition we did to the Commissioner of Police Edo State Command has not been attended to, which signposts the fact that there are lapses in the security in the state. For the avoidance of that, those listed in the petition are 1. Honorable Blessing Agbebako, the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly. 2. Tunde Akele, President Councillor. 3. Ojo Kevin Omo. 4. Lucky Omo. 5. Lucky Imodu Unuigbe. The same ugly incident took place in Akoko Edo, and the names of the PDP leaders who were involved in the ferocious attack on the APC leaders were also given to the police for investigation via the petition. For ease of reference, the underlisted were persons caught in footage relating to the attack. 1. Honorable Emma Agbaje. 2. Honorable Tope Jacob. 3. Elvis Smith. 4. Cosmos Alao. 5. Bagudu Umoru. 6. Ruben Ayodele. 7. Mr. Promise. 8. Dr. Ben Jegede. 9. MC Alao. 10. Chief Jude Ologun. 11. Koju Bello. The summary of this episode is the unwillingness of the Obaseki to embrace peace and the refusal of the security agencies to guarantee a peaceful environment for the conduct of September 21st, 2024 scheduled election. Demand before we will sign the peace accord. For us to sign the peace accord, the police should be seen to be taking steps by declaring the underlisted wanted person and ransom placed on them, since it is evidently clear that they are being harbored in government house by His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. 1. Chief Francis Inegbeneki, who is still on the run. 2. Chief Odio Olaye, who is seen in a PDP campaign rally boasting that he will burn down Edo if Asue Godalo is not declared as the governor of Edo State. 3. Mr. Austin Edosonwa. 4. Mr. Adenya Ukbonwa. 5. Mr. Kingsley Osagwe. 6. Mr. Mutari of the POA. 7. Chief David Olukoga. 8. Mr. Agedo. 9. Mr. Osagbovo Iyoha. 10. Mr. Osaze Obazi. 11. Odio Odigye. 12. Akere Odigye. 13. Mr. Noel Matthew. 14. Mr. Enoje Luke. 15. Mr. Ima Oroto. 16. Mr. Osi Imojiri. 17. Victor Obano. 18. Small Baba as he's called. 19. Osaro Clinton. 20. Stevenson Oshodi. 21. Festus Balogban. 22. Bright Agwebo. All these are the people that were seen at the airport that shot at the police, Mr. Ono Ako, at the airport. We are demanding that these people are declared wanted by the police and ransom placed on them, because we are seeing them walking freely. And if ransom is placed on them and they are declared wanted, we have people who can apprehend them and bring them to the police for prosecution.
During the peace accord signing ceremony wey dem hold for the Sir Victor Owaifo Creative Hall for Benin City on September 12, 2024, the All Progressive Congress finally participated in the signing of the peace accord, even though, say, according to them, their challenges never dey settled. Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.